It was silly of me.
Yes. A great many people in your nervous condition are frightened of heights.
Especially unprotected ones.
That Polynesian grass hut on the beach attracted me very much.
I better go in now. Have a little siesta.
Might I stay there for a while?
No, I must sleep now.
I didn't mean your bedroom. I meant the grass hut on the beach.
Mrs. Goforth, is it true you've discharged the kitchen staff again?
Yes, that's true. Haven't you heard about the inventory?
What inventory? Inventory of what?
I had an intuition about things disappearing, and I had Rudy check my list of fabulous chinas. And half of them were gone, decimated. And my Medici silver, banquet silver used by the Medicis hundreds of years ago, gone. That's what the inventory showed.
Mrs. Goforth, is it possible you don't remember?
What?
You had it shipped to a storage house in Naples with an armored convoy.
Me?
You.
That's not true.
Mrs. Goforth, when people are very ill and taking drugs for it, they sometimes get confused.
This mountain has been systematically pillaged. That's what the inventory showed.
An inventory made up by the ex-bodyguard of a syndicate gangster?
How dare you suggest it? And I have a guest.
I will always dare to say what I know to be true.
Blackie, go into the house and get my checkbook and write yourself out a check and whatever is coming to you. Bring it out here and I'll okay it for cash. Now, you've won it out. Take it. Go on.
Gladly.
Mutually gladly. Go on.